angels, this is Teresa from SparkleBrite and welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. To all of my angels that have been subscribed for me since day one, thank you so much and thank you for supporting my channel. To all of my new angels, welcome. Thank you so much for subscribing and I hope you stay. And to those of you who are watching my videos and haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button and please hit that bell so you'll be notified every time I load up a new video. So today, angels, I am going to show you a DIY that I am going to make. It's not going to be hard. It's going to be very easy peasy. And since I was going to put it together, I thought that I would show you what I was making. And I'm going to use this little organizer that I picked up at the 99-cent store. It says it's a medicine cabinet organizer, keeps items organized, maximize your shelf space, easy to find all your essentials, and it's premium quality. And like I said, I picked it up at the 99-cent store. It was only 99 cents, but I thought that it would be cute to keep my pens in because I buy the pens from the 99-cent store in Dollar Tree, all those cute little novelty pens. And I needed something to put them in. So I thought this would be cute. And this is what it looks like. You can also use this for other things like your makeup brushes or pens, pencils. I'm pretty sure you could find something to put in here. But this is what I'm going to use. I'm going to use some of these little storage containers. And I bought these at the Dollar Tree. And I'm going to use some of this self-stick gem sheets. And I bought these at Dollar General for $1. So I have to bling it up. And a pair of scissors. And some E6000. I thought about using my glue gun, but no, just go ahead and use this E6000. So I'm going to use this. So I thought since I was going to put the pins in here, it has this little ring at the bottom right here. And I had put some of the pins in here, but every time I would put them here, they would slip out. So I thought that if I could put one of these little things in there, let's see, that it would work better. So let me see. I'm going to use two of them. I'm just going to take the little top off. And see, I want to put those in here so that when I put the pins in, it won't slip out. They'll go into here. I know Dollar Tree usually has some bigger than this, but I couldn't find them. These were just the small ones. It doesn't say how big is it on this, so I don't know. But I know they usually have the bigger ones. They're taller. But it fits, so that's what I'm going to use there. But the first thing that I'm going to do, I think, is I'm going to put the little gems. And I already cut them to save time. Let's see. Where do I start from? I guess I'll start from over here. And I'm just going to put them just like this. Like I said, it's going to be very easy peasy. And they have adhesive on the back. So they're going to be very easy to put on. So let's see. See, I'm going to put them here. It's not going to be very hard at all, but I think it's going to come out cute. And it has a little spot right here that's not long enough. But I'm just going to cut, let's see how much I need to cut. It looks like 2 of these little gems that I would have to cut, so just cut it off and put it on. I have already done 1 row of the little gems, so I think I'm going to go ahead and put 2 rows. But I'm not going to bore you, so I'm going to do it off camera and then I'll come back. Okay, I've done the second row all the way around, and I'm going to continue to do this part at the bottom. But I am going to do it off camera because when I read comments on the DIYs that I do watch, some people complain about how long the person is taking on doing a DIY. Some DIYs do take long, but this is just very easy. So I don't want to take too long and I don't want to bore you. So I'm going to do this off camera. Okay, angels, I'm finished putting these little bling all the way around. And so now I'm going to put these little cylinders in there. And this is going to hold my pens. And I'm just going to put a little bit of this E6000 glue. So I was going to use my hot glue gun, but I decided that I was going to put this. I'm just going to put it around here, right here, and I'm going to put this one here. And I'm going to put this around here. And I'm going to put this one down on this side. I'm just going to hold it down for a few seconds to make sure that it stays. I know it's going to take a while to dry. That's all it was, Angel. Like I said, it was easy peasy to make, but I thought it would have been a cute little pen holder. Like I said, you can use it for your pens, your makeup brushes, your cotton balls, because you can put something in here. So you can put cotton balls here and your makeup brushes, or like tweezers or something else on this side. I'm pretty sure you can find something to put in here. So let me show you what it looked like when I'm finished. So this is what it looks like, angels, after I put my pens in. And I think it looks so cute. Look at that. Look at all those pretty colors. I used to keep them in here in this little trash can, but they would not fit in there, so I'll find something else to do with this. But yes, that's what it looks like, and I really like it. Even though it was so easy to make, I think it came out really cute. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. So until my next video, I send you peace and light, and remember to always sparkle bright.